Engineering is all around us. Every day, everywhere we go, we can see and touch something that has been designed by an engineer. But what does it mean to study engineering? An engineering student studies computers and programming. An engineering student studies science and physics, math, and learns to understand calculus. And most of all, an engineering student is curious about shaping the world. If you're one of these people, the engineering program at College of DuPage is waiting for you.
We are able to offer pretty much all of the freshman and sophomore coursework that any major university would offer for all of the large majors. Students should expect to get a very rigorous and well-founded education that will help prepare them to succeed and get their bachelor's degree when they transfer after 2 years.
We have a whole bunch of different types of engineering: mechanical, civil, and electrical, which are the big three. But we also do industrial engineering, biomedical engineering, chemical engineering, and stuff like that as well.
The huge advantages of COD's engineering program is we have all the courses that you need, and it's a better experience. The other thing is that all the professors here came here because they love to teach. We actually enjoy teaching so much that we focus on teaching as our career.
Students studying engineering at College of DuPage sharpen the skills they'll need to be successful in transferring and completing a bachelor's degree in their chosen area of study. Instructors are dedicated to providing resources and making sure each student understands course material.
One of our main goals as a department is to make sure that when the students leave us, they are fully prepared to achieve their bachelor's degree. At the major universities in the state of Illinois and elsewhere, we have something like an 80 or 90% success rate once they leave us to achieving their bachelor's degree, no matter what their engineering discipline happens to be.
We have very small class sizes so that students get to know each other and they get to know the faculty members, and we get to know them. We can help them out a lot more when we are kind of more informal with each other, which is really, really nice.
Being in a room with 30 people is so much less intimidating than being in a room with like 250 people. I knew that if I didn't understand something, there's a really good chance that other people also didn't understand. So it was more of a tight-knit community that helped each other learn.
The instructors are amazing. I had the same professor for the 4 semesters that I've been here, and having such a close connection with like a professor that you see all the time helps a lot. If you need help, they will literally have like a tutoring session with you and help you with whatever you need.
College of DuPage provides a hands-on approach to studying course material and also encourages students to pursue various clubs and internships available within a student's major. There are several opportunities for any student to get involved in and out of the classroom.
I believe that the debugging and design project hands-on skills that the students learn in the electrical engineering classes and all of the engineering classes at COD is going to give them an advantage in learning how to even just get started designing a project. They learn about how to build things from the ground up. They learn about how to build things one piece at a time rather than trying to put the entire jigsaw puzzle together piecemeal.
In our engineering graphics class, we've included a design project that's a catapult competition. It basically gets them to think about functional analysis and really kind of different ways that you can come up with different designs and trying to pick the best one. In our statics course, we have a bridge competition. So not only do they learn about bridges, but it also kind of gets them thinking about how to design the better bridge or the next generation bridge, which is something they wouldn't normally get in the course.
We are very fortunate here at College of DuPage to have things like the Engineering and Technology Club and the robotics team, where they, especially the mechanicals and the electricals, get a chance to try their hand literally at different robotics competitions. They get to learn how to be a leader in a student-led organization. In addition, we do a high school competition every year called the Engineering Olympics, and we get an opportunity to bring in between 175 and 250 high school students from across the district. It's a great way for our students to get to mentor high school students in the district. And in addition to that, there's always STEMCon to promote engineering to grades that are younger than high school. And we also have a Society of Women Engineers that has done different activities with Girl Scout troops in the area.
So the Society of Women Engineers is a club that we have here on campus, and we're affiliated with the National Society of Women Engineering organization. The students do a lot of really great activities, kind of just do a little engineering hands-on projects. We also, every April or May, have a Women in Engineering Networking Night where we invite women from places like Argonne and Fermilab and local companies to come and talk to the women students here at COD about internship opportunities, the experiences that they've had, and how to navigate being just kind of a minority, honestly, in a very male-dominated industry.
Special transfer programs are also available for engineering students at College of DuPage, guaranteeing admission to select universities upon completing the necessary COD courses and meeting GPA requirements.
So Engineering Pathways was a cohort of students that went through the engineering program all at the same time. They took the same classes and were able to transfer a lot smoother into U of I than someone who had not gone through Pathways. COD prepared me for the next step because the professors really care about you understanding the subject. Their first priority is your understanding and you going on to the next level.
College of DuPage prepared me really well for University of Illinois, and I feel I have a lot deeper understanding of a lot of the subjects required for the classes I'm taking now because of the care that was taken into teaching those College of DuPage.
The professors at College of DuPage are phenomenal. A lot of the courses here are pretty academically rigorous, and I feel like COD courses prepared me in a way that I couldn't have figured out on my own here.
COD is fantastic, not only because it saves you a lot of money, but because it prepares you in a way that a four-year university can't.
I would recommend the engineering program at College of DuPage because the faculty cares so much about you. They're there to mentor you and make sure that you have the best experience and the best foundation for the next classes.
I would recommend the engineering department at College of DuPage because there's a bunch of great professors that are really passionate about what they like to do. I'm so thankful for what they've taught me and being able to provide me with the skills that I need to be able to succeed in University of Illinois and beyond.
Engineering is everywhere. Intelligent and innovative people design and create extraordinary things every day in this dynamic and growing field. Engineer your future. Get started at College of DuPage.